See Beenie Man ya, with him big old 8 months belly. Me not tell you no lie. Last night did hot. Last night by Instagram versus Buckle. Beenie Man versus Bounty Killer. Yo, hot. Even me get engulfed in the fire. People. Last night by Instagram was a historical moment. Epic to say the least. Last night you have 2 of the biggest dancehall international star by Instagram. Has clash tune for tune. Vibe for vibes, dance for dance, and Big Belly, Beenie Man, the girls them sugar, and your Bounty Killer name, Bounty Ravers, the 5-star general. Oh God, yo, I know me alone enjoy. Me know say you enjoy that too, you know. Me not tell you no lie. The way I did hot last night on Instagram, me get engulfed in the fire. Right now me hot, me still a burn up. The Isha Ravers, me love her fire did black, and me still love her even though you turn white. You bring out Bounty Killer last night. You make Bounty Killer turn big dancer. You hear me? Beenie Man, the girls them sugar. You need to go fix up your image, Zagazao. You say you're the girl them sugar. Well, look like you draw closer to the maternity ward. Like your due date is around the corner. Nah, Beenie Man, go fix up a situation there and come back again. People, right now, this is the official beginning of the competition to get a name for the dance that we say Bounty Killer bring off last night. You know when time you're a little youth and you hear prook up. So you know so the ice cream man a come and you turn to your mother or your father and say, ice cream man a come, me want ice cream. And daddy or mommy say, yes, you can get ice cream. And you run go for your cup and your spoon. Yo! Me not tell you no lie. Right now with the whole lockdown pandemic situation, oh God, Instagram, you know, win last night. In the realest way, Bounty Killer and Beenie Man versus battle are the best so far. Sweet from start to finish. Mr. Constabulary Force, when we can turn one place by your phone and enjoy the battle like everybody else.
500,000 people watching us right now all over the world. Do you want to be that guy?
Why you do this, sir? Do you want to be that guy? It's a lucky thing you never turn out to be that guy. You almost been that guy. Careful. You see if I did me that the police that will then call. If it's a versus battle with Beenie Man and Bounty Killer go on. You see for me get that call say me if you go up there so, if you go mash up versus battle. Listen, there is no police vehicle here and me can't leave the premises right now. So I'm stuck in the station yard. And if that not work, you see as me going in that vehicle, drive out of the station yard and take the first left turn. Me the call and say me just have a flat tire and no spearing in the police vehicle. So me don't know what to do. Me stuck right here so. Cause me never go there to be that guy. No sir, Jamaica is such a beautiful place. Our culture captivate the heart and the mind of people. I want you dance with Beenie fine again. I run the street and the lane and round the bend. World dance is the name and the title. Nobody done the Pepsi bird and the people and I don't know why black girls all love it so. Make we embrace what we got, make we value what we got for what it's worth and show the world that we are #1. There's a reason why we are such a small speck in the whole geological scheme of things in this global space. But yet our influence is so large and wide and transcend across every other borders and boundaries and touch people in other different cultures. This is not a political thumbs up to you in no former political rivalry against no other political party, but me I call a spade a spade. Mr. Andrew Wholesome, Mr. Andrew Wholeness, Mr. Bro God, you are the first digital prime minister Jamaica has ever seen and experienced. I mean, like how you show transparency right across the board. Me not tell you no lie. Big up yourself, Mr. Say you tune in and enjoy the vibes. If you never tune in to the versus battle last night on Instagram, we almost touch over 500,000 viewers. We don't miss something historical and epic last night on Instagram. Yo, Instagram came alive last night. Woo! Thank you, Father God, to bless us with that sweet versus buckle from Beenie Man and Bounty Killer. You hear me hot and a burn up. Me I feel me little water for cool down. Yo, me I tell you no lie. Last night did sweet. Riri, do you see me on Instagram TV? Yellow. Whoa. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment right down the in the comment section. And remember, you know, we are trying to name the dancer where we say Bounty Killer bring off last night. Cause me don't know what to name me. So, Uno, Get a official name, down there, so.
Slow flow.
Yeah, them never broke the...
Digicel.
Digicel.
Why you do it, John Crow?
Slow flow. Flow now do nothing for me.
And with that being said, me gone. Subscribe to Justin Blake channel.
Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.